Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous two video, all discussion was only for the non-portable software. I shared the previous two video links in the comments box. In this video, I will explain to you what is the portable software. Portable software runs without installation. And we can run the portable software directly from the folder or from the USB. Portable software works across the computer and we can transfer easily by USB or by the folder from one computer to the another computer. Now come to the PC or laptop, that all points will clear to you. Open the Google Chrome and type the up to down for the PC. This is the huge website for the portable software and non-portable software. Click on the first link and then click on the search button and then write the VLC portable. That is the portable VLC media player. Click on it and then scroll down and this is the get the latest version. Click on it and then scroll down and click on the download button. So the download will start and click on the download and you can see the downloading will start. It will complete in a second and then click on the folder. And this is the installed exe file of the portable VLC and click on that and click then next button and then next. You can see here and then click on the install button. You can see here the VLC portable folder will appear on the screen. You can directly access the VLC player from the folder. Click on it, the folder will be open and you can see the VLC will open by clicking on this folder. It's mean you can directly access the portable software from the folder and you can copy paste this folder into the USB and then plug in the USB in another computer and you can easily access the portable software. So I want to share to you the detail of the portable software. Come to the laptop and you can see that portable software self-contained. What is the self-contained? All file setting and data are in a single folder, easily copied. Portable software is a no need of the installation. You can run directly from a USB or a folder. So the portable software has no need of the admin's rights. Directly you can access directly from the folder. What is the pros of the portable software? The pros of the portable software is you can run the portable software on the multiple computer. The performance of the portable software is slow than the non-portable software. If you have any question about the portable software, you can write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.